putting your cover on your RV. First, identify the front of the cover by the tag that says Front. Lay the cover lengthwise on the ground, making sure it is inside out so the exterior is facing upwards. Fold in the sides of the cover toward the center. Roll the cover from the rear, leaving the loose end in the front. Position the rolled up cover at the rear of the RV next to the ladder. Loosen the rolled up cover to remove the tension as you climb up the ladder, holding the front of the cover. Once on top, start pulling the cover onto the roof, little by little, moving the cover toward the front of the RV. Repeat until you have a full strip of cover laying on the center of the roof of the RV, from rear to front. Now all you have to do is unfold the cover from side to side. Starting at the front, the passenger side will easily be identified by the zippers. Throw the cover over the edge of the RV, making your way toward the rear of the vehicle. Once at the rear, make sure the corner of the cover opposite the ladder is positioned over the corner of the RV. Then, climb down the ladder, bringing the cover with you. Walk around the RV, adjusting the cover from side to side. Adjust the front and rear buckles for the length of your RV. Next, attach the lower straps. Connect the weight to the lower strap. Then, toss the weighted strap under the coach to easily retrieve on the other side of the RV. Remove the weight and connect the strap to the buckle. Repeat the process for all lower straps. Make sure all lower straps and buckles are tightened, and tuck them into the provided pockets.